Everybody, it's 6:25 here in Brisbane on Tuesday, the 30th of May, and I am looking to pick up a fight with the NASDAQ. So let's move into the daily and take a look here. So what we can see on the daily, we have a nice and clear uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. We are very overextended, so I'm looking for a bit of a pullback, really some of the strong buying pressure, and you can see we've got a level here, the area around the 13,900. So let's just mark this level through. So this is one area that I'm after, and the second is the high of this candle, which coincidentally is also around the 1400. I might just take a different color, 14,000 round number. So another point of interest for me as well. Now what I'd like to do quickly is draw the Fibonacci retracement from the low to the current high, and what we can see, we've got that 50% retracement clustering very sweetly with that 14,000 area, and also a monthly pivot here, just another little something to add into the mix. Now the 61.8 retracement is sitting in and around the highs of that consolidation area. So two areas that I'm currently looking at. Now what I really like about this market over here is not only we are in an uptrend here on the weekly chart, but we also broke above the last place that the sellers were strong and were able to push the price to a lower low. So that shows me that there's a lot of power at the moment with the buyers, but we are still overextended here on the weekly chart as well. So quick look at the monthly, and the monthly, beside breaking above this spike that pushed to a lower low which we saw there on the weekly, is not giving us too much potential area for a bit more of an argument between the buyers and the sellers. Here is sitting around the 14,700 to 800 area. So coming down into the daily chart, the area that I'm looking at is either this swing high over here around the 3900, but if the market is really strong and the pullback is only around that 14,000, I'm quite happy with that as well. Now I want to drill down into the lower time frame and just look at the price actions around these areas. So this is the level that I identified, that 13,900. You can see on the lower time frame, last place that we pushed to a lower low, came back, tested it, pushed lower, couldn't go any lower, and broke above it and pulled back to already test it from above. So we might not be able to come all the way down to here. Now this area around the 14,000, we can see we have a touch and then we have another touch, pull back in, and then broken higher. So first area that I'm interested in is that 14,000. I'd like to see a bit of a pullback, as I mentioned, release this strong buying pressure and a continuation of this move. Keep in mind areas for point swing, if I get on a pullback from here, will be in and around this swing high, so around the 14,400 area. But if this market shows signs of strength, then I'll be going higher around that 14,700 to 800 area. Happy knockouts everyone, bye for now.